Today we're here with our product manager, Michael Seidel, and we're discussing about the upcoming 2026 models for Undercounter solutions. So how can these products relate to the motto of the fair, Moments to Savior?
With our new pull-out freezer and the VarioCool drawer joining our pull-out family, we can help our customers that the freshness is coming towards them and they do not have to come to the freshness.
How about this product is related to accessibility and ergonomics?
Ergonomics was a really big topic we had in our mind while designing these appliances. We specials thought about people with mobility challenges and special needs. Here with this appliance, they have the possibility to coming next to the appliance, opening it from the side, and then the goods are coming again towards our customers.
And we are looking closer into the outdoor refrigerator. So can you show us a little bit about the special features of this product?
Yeah, absolutely, I can. Not jumping back and forth inside to get all your cooled goods outside. You can just stay outside at your entertaining area and you'll get all the cool things you need. And you do not have to care about the conditions outside because you can use the appliance from -10 to +32 degrees. And also with the IPX4 rating, we know that our appliance is splash water protected, which means that if it's placed under a roof and it got hit slightly by rain, it won't harm the appliance at all.
Well, I'm ready to get my Undercounter refrigerator for my outdoor entertaining area. So thank you so much, Michael, for the insightful conversation. So stay tuned for more.